Hello guys, my name is Rezan. I'm English teacher. I teach grade 3A. Today I'm going to talk about present continuous. Let me first of all write it. First of all, I would like to give you a short explanation about present continuous. Present continuous, we use it when we talk about something which is happening now. The action is not finished, so the action is happening till now. I would like to talk about the rules. We have some rules, the positive rule and negative and the question rules. The first rule, the positive one. The positive rule, the rule starts with the subject. And then verb to be. After that, verb with ing. The verb takes ing. At the end, the complement, the extra word is comes at the end of the sentence. We add them. Let me give you a short explanation about subject. What do we mean by subject pronouns? Subject, we have 7 subject pronouns: he, she, it, I, we, you, they. We write them here. And verb to be is are. So let me write it here. He, she, it, I, we, you, and they. Verb to be, we have am, is, are. Verb with ing, we use a verb of action. For example, talk, write, jump, teach, walk, eat, drink. And as I said, complement means extra sentence. You give the extra information. We add it at the end of the sentence. For example, I will erase the subject. For example, she is drinking water. She is the subject of the sentence, she, and is the verb to be, okay? And why we use it is instead of am or are? Because she is singular. That's why we is goes with she. And drinking, we have here verb with ing. Water, here is the complement, the extra information about the subject. Okay, now let's move to the second rule, which is about the negative rule. Rule number 2. Rule number 2, negative. Again, starts with subject. And then verb to be. After that, not. And verb with ing. At the end, complement, the extra information. We give it at the end of the sentence. Let me tell you why we use not here, because it shows the negative form of the sentence. Rule number 2, the negative, okay? It shows the negative rule of present continuous. Again, I want to give you a a simple example about it. For example, we are playing football. We, subject, are is the verb be. Why we use are? Why we use it are in here? Because we goes with are, and playing is the verb with ing. This is the verb be, to be, and this is the verb with ing, and this is the extra information or complement. Okay, and let's move to the last rule or structure, which is the question rule. I don't want to erase the rules. I want you to see it. Okay, rule number 3, the question rule. Okay, so in question rule, it's different, and we start with the verb to be, and we bring it at the beginning of the sentence. Let me erase it, and let me write verb to be instead of it. Verb to be plus subject, and then verb with ing. After that, complement if there is extra information. At the end of the sentence, we have to add question mark to show that the sentence is question. For example, okay, I will change the question, we are playing football. I will change it to question. For example, we are playing football. I will change the sentence. I will make it question. So we have the verb to be comes at the beginning of the sentence. We see the verb to be here. We have are. So we add it at we bring it at the beginning of the sentence. But don't forget, we have to make the first letter capital letter. Are. Then the subject, we have we bring it after are. We. And the verb with ing, we have playing, okay? And complement, we have football. This is the extra information. As you see that we are playing football. Oh, sorry, we have to add question mark, not full stop. As I said, I added full stop, but it's wrong. We have to add a question mark because this is a question. Are we playing football? Okay, now let me tell you and give you a short explanation again. We is the verb to be, as you see, the verb to be, we, one of the verb to be, and are, and subject, we have we, and playing is the verb of action, and complement, the extra information that is given in the sentence. Okay, that was all. Thank you guys for listening. I hope you're watching this video and you like it. Thank you so much. Bye.